Do you want to grow your YouTube channel fast and start earning some cool cash? Maybe you don't know where or how to start, or maybe you don't know how to edit YouTube videos, or maybe you don't know how YouTube works or what it takes to be successful on YouTube. Well, worry no more because you are in the right place. Hi, I am Reed and you're welcome to Grow with Reed. I've been creating content here on YouTube for about 5 years now, and I've already built a successful YouTube channel called ReedTech, and now I have launched Grow with Reed to help you do the same even if you are starting from zero. Here's what you're going to get from this channel. You will first learn how to set up your channel and how to brand your channel to make it look more professional, and the right settings to use to help you optimize your channel and make the YouTube algorithm love you from the start. I will also teach you how to edit engaging videos and how to design professional thumbnails for your channel. And then I will also share with you practical growth strategies and tips to get you more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours to help you monetize faster. So, if you are someone who is serious about growing your YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on notifications. And let's grow your channel the smart way.